truth, these used to be one of my favorites. And I don't mean as a child. If it wasn't raining and so hot right now, I totally would be on these. Oh yeah, I know they said intended for kids. Look, it looks like 15 and a half years, but really, we all know the adults like it. That's kind of cool. What's this? Oh, it's supposed to be an airplane. Pretty cool here though, hey? Ride the bikes too. I really like the material. So this is like Parksville Community. Whoa, I almost fell. It is Parksville Community Park. Right by the ocean. Oh, nice. It's a water park too. But not until obviously later. Oh, stepped on a turtle. This feels like sand. You know, kinetic sand stuff that kids love so much, but only put together. So, and check this out. Oh, this was a very interesting thing. You can have your baby, or you have a toddler, and be right there, just connected. Anyway, we're gonna explore its huge